Hello people, today we're going to go through the process of linking the GoPro Hero 8 to the Zhiyun Crane M2 and to control the GoPro directly from our phone through the Zhiyun app. So here we are. First step is to turn the GoPro on, of course, so button on the left hand side of the camera. Okay, now if we go into the menu, so you scroll down and you go to connections and wireless connections, and then you want to turn these on. So by default it will be off. You just press there, go and turn it on. There it is. Wireless connections on. You go in connect device, GoPro app, and basically it will give you some instructions to download the app on your phone and then leave your camera on. So let's download the app now. So if we go on Google Play and then you look for GoPro app, you install that app. Okay, so we now have the app. We press on it and here we go. So you will see this button, find my camera. Finding your GoPro, you need to enable some permissions and just do so. Allow, yes. Okay, so they found my GoPro. I just connect. Here we go, connection successful, so very easy to do so. I give a name to my GoPro quickly. And done. And then save name. Yeah, of course, come on. Right, so my GoPro is connected and let's go. I agree, blah, blah, blah. Cool, cool, got it. Right, you need to allow again a few permissions. Now, there's this button, control your GoPro. Update camera. Okay, let's close this down for a second and we need to go to the Zhiyun app, and I go here. I need to turn these, I need to turn the Zhiyun on too. Make sure you balance your GoPro properly anyway on top of the gimbal. So quick tip, as I try to connect and basically the app doesn't recognize my device, I just enter now. So you enter the app and then you will see here there's a Bluetooth button. You just want to press that and now here we go, you've got your device. Press on that. Connection device connected. Great. So change the phone controller and the application mode, whatever. Right, when you then connect your app to the crane, then you will get these options. So select your device type, camera or phone, and we want to choose camera. So on top, press OK. And now we are inside the app. So as you can see, I'm using the crane through the app. So I can just move the crane as I want. So controlling the crane through the app, which is good. Now, one more step. We need to connect the camera to the app, to the Zhiyun app, so we can actually control the camera through the app. Okay, to do so, we go here. There's a kind of Wi-Fi symbol. We go there, press it, and it's searching for nearby Wi-Fi. As you can see, now my GoPro popped up. So Mamo GoPro connection and password. So for the password, you need to go into your GoPro settings. So we go on GoPro settings, preferences again, connections. We go down to camera info. So we got our camera name and also the password. So we're gonna type the password here in our app. Right, so we got our password and now we try to connect. Connected. Right, so identification succeeded, as you can read there. To use videos, you want to select your video option here on the GoPro. So go in video mode right there. Now if we press track in the app, here we go, boom. So you're now recording and controlling the gimbal through your app entirely. So right, here you have it. Right guys, that was it for today. I really hope the video helped you somehow. If it did, please consider to subscribe to the channel. A lot of videos coming up, travel tips, camera gear reviews, whatever happens in my life, you'll find it on my channel. Thanks for watching again. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video.
Seems all good time.